From carefully selected fresh sweet potatoes, this line creates high-quality products, ensuring hygiene and food safety. Sweet potato drying is done with precise temperature and time control, helping to preserve natural flavor and retain nutritional value. The appearance of the orange, with its vibrant orange color and smooth skin, creates an attractive and colorful image. Each orange slice is soft and evenly ripened, delivering the sweet and attractive flavor of natural fruit. Clean pumpkins quickly and properly. MCR. Machinery's compact pumpkin washer. Kerbis washer is an excellent solution for those growing smaller pumpkins and vegetables, especially varieties prone to damage like delicate-skinned pumpkins. If you enjoy our video, please comment with the number 1. This automated cheese cutting line achieves up to 95% automation, making it truly modern. The second product line is user-friendly, allowing you to cut meat, ribs, neck, smoked meat, rolls, rotisserie, sausages, cold cuts and cheese. Productivity up to 440 slices per minute. This is the most modern chili sorting line. The machine slices accurately and evenly, making the dish beautiful and flavorful. Thanks to advanced technology, the meat cutter helps maintain the freshness of the meat, ensuring the best quality for the dish. Hey friend, have you ever felt like your life lacks equipment to help cut meat but is full of laughter? Imagine a grain-shaped meat slicer that's so fun you want to run it 24/7. The juicer helps you quickly get a glass of fresh fruit juice in just a few minutes without having to waste time cutting, peeling and paring fruit manually. Have you ever struggled with peeling pumpkin, pineapple or other fruits with thick skin? KS720P is your savior. With just a few simple steps, the KS720P can peel fruit much more quickly and effectively than doing it manually. Do you often buy pre-peeled fruit at convenience stores? If the answer is yes, have you ever been curious about the magical fruit peeler that saves us time and effort? You love the delicious succulent taste of pomegranates but are afraid of the time-consuming process of peeling. Pomegranates. Then the perfect stainless steel pomegranate peeler is the solution for you. Sausage processing line is not only a production process, but also a creative, artistic and technical journey. Looking at the sausage processing line, you will be impressed by the complete automation and precision in every step. Each processing step is performed with sophistication and thoroughness, ensuring the quality and consistency of each final product. Not just the production process, but also the combination of talent, expertise, and passion from people working in the food industry. Each sausage processed on the line is a work of art and technique, bringing satisfaction to consumers. The MMP223 system is not only a cost-effective solution, but also provides environmental and health benefits. Using advanced technology, MMP223 is capable of converting plant material into high-quality minced meat with the same texture and taste as real meat. The system's versatility enables the production of a wide range of plant-based minced meat, from imitation beef to plant-based sausages, while ensuring the quality and consistency of the final product. By combining thoroughness in the production process and innovation in technology, MMP223 not only brings consumer satisfaction in terms of taste, but also contributes to environmental protection and public health. Looking at these modern devices, you cannot help but be attracted by the modernity and advanced technology they bring. From luxurious looks to convenient features, these devices radiate beauty and charm that cannot be matched. The combination of sophisticated design and advanced technology creates an impressive and mesmerizing look. Besides the attractive looks, the features and performance of these devices are also big attractions. Their flexibility and convenience help optimize the working process and bring high efficiency in daily work. Producing sandwich meat is not only a production process, but also a delicate art of combining ingredients to create a delicious and attractive dish. Looking at the production process, from selecting ingredients to performing processing and packaging steps, I cannot help but be impressed by the meticulousness and professionalism of those working in the food industry. Not only is it a common dish, meat sandwiched with bread is also a symbol of richness and diversity in cuisine. Enjoy it all over the world. Each sandwich offers a unique and special culinary experience.